Good morning, Yasas Namaste. Today is Sunday. I am cooking an intimate lunch just for me and Yannis. On the menu is garlic herb crusted baked salmon on a bed of basmati rice. I will have delicious roasted broccoli with onions on the side. I am planning to finish the meal with a silky lava cake oozing with the goodness of chocolate. A beautiful fillet of salmon, and I usually ask my butcher to remove the skin. Some people prefer to keep the skin on. I don't. Let this wait here. I'm going to pat it dry. Alright, that's the first step. While the salmon is drying, let me make a very quick marinade. I have 1 teaspoon of pepper. You can use pepper powder, but I like for this dish whole pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt and 5 to 6 garlics. And I make a paste. It smells wonderfully. Salmon was the first dish I cooked for my husband, and this dish is special. It one is hard. I want to keep it that way. Alright, so this is done. Wow, this smells so good. So that's the first part. Then I'm going to take a handful of dill. I already washed it. The dill is one of my favorite herbs. It's a very fresh smell and goes so well with salmon. Alright, so here we are. That's my next pot. Let me now bring the salmon here. I'm going to put this garlic and fresh pepper and salt mix generously on it. It smells wonderfully. And I'm going to spread generously the chopped dill on top of it. Let me put everything. Wow, this beautiful color combination is amazing. It's like an artwork. Get this and get a few slices of citrus. I always love to put orange and lemon in my dishes. A lot. I don't need a lot, just a few. Awesome, I think that should do it. So, I'm going to take this and arrange everything as nicely as I can. Wow, this is almost ready. I just need to put some olive oil on top of it, and it will wait in the corner. It will absorb all those beautiful scents of the garlic and the dill and the salmon itself and all those citrus. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to sit this in a corner and wait for about half an hour until I get my other preparations underway, and then they both can go into the oven. The perfect accompaniment for a beautiful salmon dish is roasted broccoli and onions. Let me get started by washing my broccoli thoroughly. It's very important to wash your vegetables and fruits, and if you want to know how to do it the right way, I have a video. I have linked it. You can go and check it out. Just a rough chop. I have been cooking of late a lot, and it gets sometimes tiring. Sometimes it's good to not have guests. Just be with your immediate family, spend time, take it easy, and prepare for the week that is coming. I love to have my friends. I love to have my family. My son was here last week. I cooked rotis and chickpea sauce. That video is up there. But Indian food can get a little overwhelming. It's a lot of cooking. So sometimes it's good to relax and cook something simple, Mediterranean, fresh, and that way I don't feel the stress. This is a very, very simple dish. Just cut all your broccoli, throw them on in a pan, sheet pan, salt, pepper, olive oil, roast it at 425 for maybe 20 minutes. And instead of putting water in the broccoli, I just put a whole lot of sliced onions. That way the water from the onion gives the flavor to the broccoli and makes it soft and beautiful. Some salt and pepper to taste, and of course, in the true Greek tradition, lots and lots of olive oil. I realized I needed a little bigger pan. Had a lot of broccoli, so I'm going to just take a big pan and transfer them all. Excellent. Okay, so it's ready. I'm going to take it and put it in the oven 425 for about half an hour. Okay, so my next step is to wash the basmati rice thoroughly. It's a long grained rice. And I wash it at least 3 times. That is the tradition. Okay. I'm using a rice cooker. You can make rice on the stove. You can make it in the oven like I did with my biryani rice. I've got the link for that video as well here down. You can check it out. But today I'm going to take a very simple, hassle-free approach to making very nice fluffy rice. That is the rice cooker. Every Indian home has it, and mostly all Asian homes will have this. Okay, so I'm going to put water. I'm going to tell you a trick. How much water? When you wash with the water, you see it needs to be at this level. Let me, this a little more than I wanted. The level of water is very, very important. Otherwise your rice will be soggy. So this is the level that we need. I'm going to also add salt, and also could add some cumin and some ghee. Ghee is nothing but clarified butter. If you don't have it, you can throw in a small stick of butter or a tablespoon of olive oil, just to keep the rice grains separated. To my non-Indian, Greek and American friends, this is the sure shot way of making a very fluffy, individually grained rice, cumin rice, and the rice cooker is the best way to go about it. Now it has a settings. Let me turn it on and just say white rice. Simple, idiot proof. Even I can do it, so everybody can do it. Okay, I'm ready to put my salmon into the oven, 425 for about 12 to 13 minutes. Okay, all set. Let me go ahead and start preparing this is roasted broccoli and onion. It's so wonderful. Okay, so I think my salmon is ready. Wow, it's sizzling, it's beautiful. Wow, this is wonderful. My rice is ready. I'm going to just do a little bit of forking it up. Look how beautifully individual grains with little specks of cumin in there. Okay, so I'm going to put this and create 2 molds. Where I grew in South India, we ate rice twice a day, every day. And for me, that's the best ever starch. Okay? Ah, so beautiful, fluffy. Okay, and the side is a little bit of a fresh arugula action. I don't generally like to put dressing on it right away. Okay, that should do. A few nuts. Wow. I'm wondering what Yannis is going to say, because this is exactly the first plate I ever cooked for him. And here is a broccoli onion roast. Okay. Looks great. I'm so proud of this lunch. Bon appetit.
My love, thank you very much. You did a great job.
You too. Wow. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Kalorix.
Kalorix. Yannis.
Yannis, and for many, many, many more such days to come. I need to hand wash them. This is my best china. I wanted to give Yannis the best.